using Sketchup. What I want you to do is go online and take a look at some interesting homes. You can type in mansions, giant homes, cool houses, any kind of thing that you would like in order to see a house that appeals to you. And once you do find one, we are going to click on it, open it up. The best thing to do is try to find one that has a front view similar to what you see here. And then you're going to click and drag and drop it to your desktop or into your folder. You could also right click and save image as. After you've done that, you're going to go into SketchUp, go to File, go to Import, and then from there be sure format says JPEG or whatever file you downloaded it as, most likely a JPEG. And then from there you can see I put it on my desktop. I called it cool.jpg. It's the front of this very modern looking house. Say use as image and hit import. You've done this before, so it should be pretty easy. And then from there, you're going to click and drag out. It doesn't have to be quite so huge. That's fine, just about there. Your size can change a little bit. And then from there, you're going to go to Camera, Standard, Top, Command 1 on your keyboard. All right, now from there, we're going to zoom in. And at that point, you are going to outline the edge of the house. So we're going to do the outside edge first, without doing the bottom at the moment. So we're going to go from here straight up and sort of follow your way through what you see. Now when you get to about here, I'll go up to there. Everyone's going to be a little bit different, so I can't give you an exact. Go all the way to where the edges kind of go. Let's see, like that. I'm going to go all the way up to this edge actually. I'm not doing those angles around the edge because that's what once we push and pull it, you'll kind of see those angles pop up a little bit better. Now, once I hit about here and I get to the bottom of the house, right about here or so, I'm going to go to this side and then kind of pull, right? I'm just referencing or inferencing this piece so I know where that line is. Snap back to about there, click. Now, before I close it up, I'm going to hit escape to get away from that line. Now what I would do is those interior pieces. So like from here to here and down, and you can kind of touch that line, hit escape again. So continue to do that so you can get those lines right. You can inference those points, click, hit escape again. So before we kind of close them up, we're trying to do the interior lines. As long as they're close, like that one's going to connect. Obviously, if I was to connect here to here, that would connect. But you're just going to sort of try and figure this out the best you can. I would go maybe here. And then connect it. There's one piece. Same thing here. Reference that little spot. Click it. Connect it. Interior wise here, we could use even the rectangle tool and make some rectangles, zoom in a little bit, maybe make some rectangles here, do another one here, and then even here. Alright, so that's the kind of look that you're trying to achieve, and you're going to complete this. In the second video, I'll show you what we do once the front is complete.